And now we started using this tool called what's the tool called? Hang, hang on.
It's like an indicator.
Yeah, something visible, moving, a volume profile visible range.
Yeah, yeah. So it kind of gives you the like the levels and stuff. I have this one. I don't know if this is like, see how this gives you the volume profile of each ranges. So you have this volume profile, point of
Yeah, how do you
control.
get that? What is this?
So essentially, what this is okay. So what a nerd out. Okay, so what this is, I don't. I mean, it should be accurate because it's the futures. Because every order is like, marked in the ledger, buy or sell. So essentially, you see this. You have this POC. This is where the highest volume nodes are right here. That is called a point of control. That is where a lot of the buying and most of the buying and selling is happening around this range right here.
Right.
Okay, and then you have these black lines right here. This is the value area low, and this is the value area high. So
Mhm.
when price is in a range, it always pops out of this and goes back in, and then it rotates to the top of the range. So this one, I would actually try to long this if to this point to see, like, if I were to take a trade right now. Like if I were to take a trade right now, I would buy, you know, I would buy here. Okay, and whatever. Like I'll put my stop loss here. Okay, and then I would try to take it here. I mean, this is just. I mean, I haven't really taken this, but like, this would be a good trade. So essentially, that is what a volume profile is. You take a range, so you have this range right here. So I usually just do my own. So you can anchor it on your own. So there's this tool right here. You can just take it from here and you anchor it. So it gives you the full volume profile of that. You see you
Uh,
see you see how this is the low of the range, of this
mhm.
range, and that's the high.
What are you? What is this? What platform are you on?
This is a trading view.
Oh, TradingView.
Yeah.
Do you have something called I think it's called big orders as a one of the
Is this indicator?
yeah. It's like it pretty much shows like big red and green bubbles.
That's Bookmap. You're talking about Bookmap. That's Bookmap.
Oh, it's Bookmap. I see.
Yeah, that's Bookmap. Mm.
I was watching like a video of like the best scalper in the world or something yesterday. So he was going through some of the tools he was using, and I was like,
It's
I
that
don't
one
see it.
guy. It's that one guy. I knew you're talking about.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about,
He has
right?
like an accent, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. That guy. He's good.
he's
He's
really
good.
good.
Yeah, he's really good. So the way he explains things is really good. So essentially, when you have a volume profile, um, like what institutions do, they will always push it out of the value area high or low. See, like this got pushed out of the value area high. Watch,
Hmm.
it's rotating towards the point of control. You see how price is getting attracted to the point of control. So if this is your volume profile, right, for this range, okay, if you let me take this out, okay, you see this, you see how price is attracted to this. So
Hmm.
it moved outside of this, right? It moved outside of this range.
Hmm.
Okay, tapped into demand, came back into the range, broke structure back in. Now, most likely, like in theory, this should go. It's trying to get to this. So a lot of people just trade that. Like they'll just take this portion from here to here or here
I
to
see.
here
Hmm.
because they know it goes back to the point of control. I mean, that's where most of the orders are. What the hell? Where am I? I'm not in the right. Okay. Yeah. So can you check the stream? If is it still lagging or is it actually
Um,
streaming? If it's lagging, I'm gonna just record it and I'm not gonna.
let's see. Hang on. Let me refresh.
I made another one. Like I think I made another link.
Oh, you did? Okay, hold
Yeah,
on.
so it's not gonna be that link anymore. So it has zero drop frames. So let's see.
Okay, it looks like it's good. Do something on the screen.
Yeah. Here, let me doodle something.
Yeah, it's I'll tell you when the dick shows up. Hold on.
Okay. Is it there yet?
You should just say keep it PG.
Yeah. Dude, this is that's what's his name? From SpongeBob. That's Patrick.
Okay, here we go. Now you're drawing the clock right now.
Yeah.
So it's like a 20-second, 15, 20-second
I mean, which
lag.
is fine. That's fine. That delay's
Yeah,
fine. As long as it's not laggy and it's not like legible and shit, like then it's like an issue.
yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. So okay, let's focus on the market right now. Let's see where we at. Okay. So essentially, you see this low that was never taken yesterday from this
Hmm.
2 hour order block right here. Um, I would prefer to take this low. I can target this low today. So this is kind of like my last line of defense here for price. If price breaks past this, then we can short it very nice, and at least take it to here. Okay, so that's the narrative right now. So I'm leaning shorts, but we got to see what price does because obviously 730. So the thing is, we were in the upward structure. Even if I take the 3 minute or 2 minute, I like the 2 minute a lot. Even if I take the 2 minute or 3 minute, you see we broke structure here.
Yes.
So I would short this. See, like this is showing me, like I would short this. And try it out. Why not?
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do the opposite. If it hits like 545, I'm gonna long it because there's like no volume down here.
That's another thing.
That's how I've been doing my trades lately. I've like past 3-4 days. I'm like, dude, this is sort of working.
If I were to, let me see, stop loss. Well,
Yeah, see if I go with 5 minute, like there's like no volume at all, like the 35 range.
Let's see what I'll take my profits right here at 498. I like the shorts here.
Tell me when you enter. Yeah, because
I
was
mean,
talking to Ro yesterday.
Let me see.
I was talking to Ro yesterday. It's like, man, we keep getting our funded accounts, and it's like we're responsible, and then like one day we're just like,
I know.
let's full
tilt.
port it, and we lose everything.
It's the damn tilt, man. I think it's just, I think like when I tilt like that, I just I close the charts. That's the best way to go about it. You will never, like, even if you revenge trade and you make money, it's actually really bad in a sense because it's reinforcing that bad habit of going on tilt and making it so your brain automatically thinks that, okay, if I'm losing money, I am going on pretty much tilt. Like that's what I need to do to recoup, and that's not what I would suggest at all, bro. So like honestly, like for the combines, I wouldn't take more than like 4 to 5 days to pass. All right, if you're really like kind of skinning it, but I would honestly keep my trades as low as possible, take really good setup, and just size up for that.
That's it. Yeah.
Like that's what I would do.
I mean, for the combines, I'm trying to pass it like here, like within 2-3 days, and then for the funded account, I'm like treating it like a baby.
I'm in this trade, by the way. If
you're in the trade,
you could probably see it on my screen.
Oh shit! Okay.
Yeah.
We'll screen this.
So it kind of meets my criteria for the short, because I see lows here that hasn't been, it's been engineered, right? Like things like this.
Order filled.
Man, things like this, they're gonna get taken. This is money. This money is waiting to get taken. That's liquidity, as they like to say. Okay, so that's waiting to get taken. So I mean, you can bring it up to here. You can have the runners or whatever, but I'm gonna try to take it to at least like 500, 25, 500.
Oh wow. Okay.
I'm gonna try to take it there. But you know, New York, anything can happen. But right now, I see sellers in control, and we have a breaker structure here. So essentially, it's just following the chain. It taps into supply over here. You know, you have this little guy here that it tapped into, matched with the VWAP, and then you have supply here that was created. So you just gotta be patient and see, and make sure you have your stop loss above that high.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, look, I mean, you won't be right about every trade, but you know, it's the edge that you have to play.
Okay.
Look at that push down.
Damn, son.
Hopefully it keeps going. You can always.
I would have taken that trade already.
Yeah.
Just take it, bro. Oh my god. You're done for. Is this your funded account?
No, this is yeah, like I'm taking the same thing with my live account.
Oh damn. Okay.
Yeah, like this is pretty much my funded account. Like this is how I trade. Like there's a weight, and if it goes against me, it goes against me. Like you can always de-risk the trade, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'll put it like, oh, I can put it at break even. Like see, I wanna, if once it passes this, I'll take out like half. So like I'm gonna take out half right here. As this how do I put a limit? Oh yeah, there you go. Buy limit right here. Look at that. Boom. Oh, I mean, it's beautiful. I don't even think I need to do it. I think I'm gonna hit it. Yeah, I'm gonna take out half right here. Let me see.
Jeez.
I might not even need to take out half here, bro. I might just hit TP.
What the fuck?
It's almost like, yeah, I'm a break even now. So
Fucking crystal ball while over here. That was insane.
See that push? Yeah, I think I'll take it. So I took my profit in my funded.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean like this, yeah, but I mean you can always hold it.
What do you think it's gonna go down to? Fuck.
I mean, it kind of hit what I wanted it to hit. To be honest, like 506, 500.
Dude,
like,
that was.
Like
I'd
if
be
it's
done
this
for the
close,
day.
like if guys, listen. If it's this close to your TP and you're not managing your trade, you're not scaling out, you're not doing something right.
Mm.
So I already took 5 out, and I'm gonna take the other 5 out right now. It'll probably take me out. Bang. Live, baby.
What the fuck?
Bang. Done.
Nice. Oh my god.
We're done.
Holy fuck, that was crazy.
Yep, that's it. 1 trade a day.
Wow.
Keeps the blown accounts away.
Oh my god.
It's like once you understand like price action, watch it. Then it's like you can spot these, right? Like okay, like why did we take this trade, right? Like what was in this trade that hit to the money, right? 502. Essentially, I should have gotten in earlier on this trade, but this is what I saw, right? I saw a break of structure. I saw the New York Open. So this is where the New York Open 8:30. Okay, and I saw there was a break of structure. So if you can see, all right, if you can see something, um, price has been on a downtrend. So you like you're up, you're down, up,
Mhm.
down, up, down, tap into something, and then down again, right? So there was something here that price came back for and tapped into VWAP, and VWAP pretty much rejected it. Okay, once this rejection happened, I zoom in and I see that on lower time frame I broke structure. So price tried to push up, couldn't do it. Boom, that's a market structure shift or change of character, whatever you want to call it. So this
Mhm.
whole area becomes supply. So price goes back, taps into supply, and then on its merry way. That's how it works. So like that's how the trends work, and then there will be another supply here, and then price will
Mhm.
come back here, and then it'll come down and it'll come up. That's why it makes the leg up, down, up, down. That's how price moves. It moved from supply to like demand to supply, demand to supply, demand to supply. So this was demand. This gray area was demand, right? So there was a 5 minute order block. So what did it do? It bounced off of it, used that demand to touch this and come back, supply. So like the sellers who were there initially showed their hands, right? They initially showed their hands, and um, you pretty much like read that. That's what you have to read, So that's that. I mean, you can also say like, okay, you know what? There was something here that price came back for, and it tapped into that, and whatever order block, right here. Be like, okay, this order block here has been causing havoc over here.
Yeah, I'm still fucking shook that. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to cuss, but I'm still shook that you made that trade. That was insane. You called it right away.
Yeah, live. Um,
Wow.
bro, I see these every day. I see these every day. The opportunities come. There's days that you don't see opportunities, right? So if you're like the best way to trade it, like today, I do believe for like a longer term, like if you were doing like one micro or something, and you're like
Mhm.
holding your trade, this would be good. Like this to me is a good area to get taken out. And you see you have the relatively equal lows here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So ICT concepts on the so they work. They work, bro. Um, See, like right now, you're still in a downtrend, right? Structure
Mhm.
still look like you broke structure here again, right here. You just broke structure over here. Price close below this. Okay, so you broke structure here. So this whole thing becomes supply, in a sense, right? This whole thing becomes supply, not just that. This whole thing becomes supply, essentially. So now you want to drop down. I'm giving sauce right now. I'm giving hella sauce. If it works, you drop down to a lower time frame and you wait for some structure change right here. You see price will go up, down, up, and then it'll do some shit like this. Maybe a VWAP. And then you can short that and put your stop
Yeah.
loss here and
Yeah. Yeah.
take out profit here. So you just scalps like all day long, especially when it's a trendy market. But if it's ranging, I have different ways to trade ranges, as you know. So if it's like a range, okay, like you're like, okay, this is where the New York Open 8:30, boom. This is my range. This is my 8:30 range. This whole thing is a range. You can call this a range, whatever. So you could have traded it like a range too. When you saw this range, okay, you see price go above the range,
Mhm.
dip back in, rotate all the way down. You see that?
Yeah.
And then what did it do? Price dip back out, rotate it all the way to the top. And, so you can play these ranges too. So it's just how you look at it. And there was reason for me, I like to call return to zone. Um, we had all this liquidity built up, so it made sense for price to come down. Take that out, But I didn't want to trade the like exact opening, which was like 8:30, so kind of waited for my kill. Are you still needing to trade, or did you unlock the account?
No, I was on my funded account.
Oh, so
I was moving real slow.
okay.
Yeah, I'm taking it really easy right now. I'm only up like $100.
Yeah. So I mean, now it's a little trickier. It's like, okay, now you're like, all right, bro, what are we doing? Are we ranging? Are we staying at this level?
Mm-hmm.
So seems like this range is most likely breaking down because it did its objective. This was a liquidity, came down, swept it, tested it again, came down, broke it, but it went back in. So now you can argue that, you know what, I don't know if I like the shorts anymore. You see that gap up top. I maybe do a gap fill. You see this gap right here. We got
Mm-hmm.
this big old gap. So you're like, you know what? At least we can try to fill some of that gap. We go and we have all this curvature of liquidity right here, right? So why not?
The fish shoots back up. Oh my god, you see Tesla stock right? By the way.
What happens? Skyrocketing? Is shooting up or what?
Yeah.
No way.
Got like 20 points.
It just dropped or popped?
Popped up.
Oh, I see it. Oh my god. No way.
They made like $1,000 in like 50 seconds.
No way. Did you do calls on that or what?
No, I didn't. I was too scared.
Oh my god. I didn't even watch Tesla. So if Tesla's pushing up, let me see what Nvidia is doing. If things are Nvidia's still kind of grinding it out. If things are looking good and things are pushing up, then what's S&P doing? ES is doing. Huh. It's odd, right? Like Tesla's shooting up, but Nasdaq is not able to.
What does that mean?
I mean, sometimes Tesla pulls. Sometimes Nvidia and Tesla like tug on Nasdaq a lot, from what I've seen.
Mm-mm.
Like depending on the direction. Like maybe Nasdaq wants to go down more, but Tesla is not. Having Tesla to shoot up like that is not helping the case. So.
Yeah, I hate when
See, now you're
Pop
ranging.
I have like all my MAs and everything set up. It like deletes it once in a while. I'm like,
What do you mean? Like all the indicators?
yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe I don't have my volume. I traded that without my volume nodes. So I used this ICD kill zone. I like this little. It kind of gives me like the lows and the highs of like the sessions. I like that. So right now you have Asian high, London high right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I would prefer us to rotate there and take these. I would. All these highs over here. London high. I think Asian high, Asia high was take it. It was like technical Asia high. This is like the technical Asia high. Just gonna mark these out. Let's target Asia high, and then you got your London high. So you need to be aware of those two.
Okay.
You need to be aware of that. Let me see. Okay. I don't even know. I need to check on my stream if that is still going good. But hey, caught that live on stream, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I think I'm not longing any of this. Watch it unless we're above VWAP. That's my criteria. Yeah. If we reclaim VWAP and we're above VWAP, fam, I'm longing it. But if we can't get above VWAP, like there's no long. Right now it's shorts for me. That's the only thing. Like I don't see anything that to be like, oh, bro, it's time to long.
Yeah. Okay.
See, it's tapping into that supply. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. See?
Yeah.
It's tapping into this supply. This whole supply, like I said, it was a breaker structure. Remember, this is a breaker structure. Boom. Look at that. Look at that, bro.
Jeez.
Look at that. What did I say? Where was my area? Right here, these guys. This guy right here. It's my first line of target, and this is my second target. Let's see if it hits. I'm just gonna put it over there because I like being right. Who doesn't? Damn, see, that's another short we could have taken. So it's like a chain reaction, right? It's like a chain reaction. What's the target? Okay. Let's see if it hits that target, bro. This is for the streams. My ICT guys are like, oh, inversion. Inversion for value gap.
There we go. I got my wife on trading, and she's like asking in the other room, "Are you trading right now?" Like, yeah.
Is she trade? Does she trade now?
Yeah, like, I got her on this because just trying to get as many accounts as we can.
That's so awesome. That's so awesome that she trades. I'm trying to get more. I try to get mine, and it flies over her head. Yeah, I tried. It didn't go well.
Oh, you do such a good job explaining.
Yeah, I think it's. I've gotten better. Initially, I think I myself didn't know what I was. You know how there's this. I forgot what it's called. It's like this psychologist. He has like this graph where you're learning something new, and then like it's like the curve of stupidity or something like that. I forgot what it's called. It's where like you start off like super like this is like knowledge, and this is like confidence, and this is like knowledge or something, and like. You start off like this where your confidence is super high but your knowledge is super low.
Oh yeah.
And then you have like the plateau of like despair or whatever, and then you finally hit like enlightenment here over time. This is like time or something. So yeah. So that I was here. I was at the peak of stupidity when I thought I knew everything. Because I saw some YouTube videos.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Like, oh my god, look at this.
Are you in it right now? No, you're not.
I'm done for the day.
Oh, you're done for the day. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, bro. Like 1,000 a day keeps the bill collectors away.
That is. Was that? Sorry, I think I asked already. But was that one account or two? How many accounts was that?
That's 5.
5?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, damn.
I mean, you gotta milk the prop firms as much as you can.
Yeah.
As long as they're gonna like put you in live, and they're gonna put you. I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, you see how it's following this trend, and this is the target. So eventually, this is another good place where you could have entered. So like people usually try to enter here in these breakouts, but you want to get it on the retest. Look at that. Look at that move.
Shit's fucking dropping. Yeah.
Look at that move. I'm gonna watch this stream over again and just listen to my voice, and I'm like, wow. That's what I did. I did that. I called it.
It's just fucking dropping, dude. Holy shit.
This is your new target right here. Look at that, going straight to that target.
Was it 460?
Targets, yeah, it's 456. Beautiful. Look at that push down.
I was catching on the way up too.
Yeah. Look at that push down. Look at that. I should have doodled this. It doesn't get better than that. I think I doodled this somewhere. I think I doodled this somewhere. It's somewhere in the stream. I just gotta find it. Bro, you about to make the Instagram clip. The reason I'm started the community I want to start is because like I want to teach people like just like the foundation what I know. Like obviously there will be strategies involved that's profitable, but also like why price moves the way it does. Like, why does it happen? You can visually like create a narrative for yourself before you trade and learn like market structure, supply and demand. The way I look at market structure, the way I look at excuse me, supply and demand. Order flow, ranges. They're just, like for instance, like going over volume profile. Like, how's that important? Like, why does that matter?
Yeah.
So things like that. That is why like I want to start this community. Let's look at this whole range. This whole thing is a range, by the way. Watch it. You see that?
Yeah, I got in a long.
This whole thing is a range. So you see, my target was this. Is somebody trying to come in? Let's see. Is that Rohan? No, that's me. Was trying to come in. So I'd be worried about a long. If you're in a long, I would be cautious because this is our target.
I'm plugging in it right now. Fuck.
No, bro. Why'd you get in a long? Remember, I told you this is the target.
I'm a greedy bastard.
It's sellers are in control. The only long like I would take is to retrace back up to here.
What is that?
This thing could keep going down. Like, this can like really push down. So watch out.
Yeah, Rojo's calling me right now.
Yeah, he's probably trying to long in. That's why he missed out on the stream, man.
Wait, hold on.
Oh my god, look at that. We're about to hit target. We're about to hit our target. By the way, if you're trading this and you're waiting for this target, you should have been out. Let me see, to the T. Bang, bro, bang. Bang. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Okay. Well. What do we have here? Damn. You missed the short of a lifetime, Rohel.
Yo.
I called it live.
Oh, you're still on live on YouTube or not?
Yeah, we're still on live. Your voice is being captured on live. Just keep it G-rated.
This guy's...
Bro, look at this.
Oh yeah, man.
So we caught this move. We caught this move
Yeah.
down, and then I pretty much called this whole move, and this was my target, and we hit my target.
Oh, it's going. Yeah, I have. That's exactly. I had it at short. I was shorting at. I was gonna short at 620.
What's happening? Look what's happening, bro.
What the fuck?
I told you short it, man. Look, a target. Remember, I wanted these lows. We're coming.
I'm about to fucking long here in a bit. If it fucking starts, I'm just waiting.
It's coming for this. This is my first target got hit. Now my second target is about to get hit. Literally both.
Bro, what's is your target 378?
Yeah. Target is the list 330, 391.
Okay. I have yesterday's low was 378.
It should go to that. Like, it's gonna take out those guys. I mean, it's for sure gonna take it out. It's just a matter of time when. So now it's gonna retrace. But you see, this was my first target. I don't know if you can see the screen. This was my first target. My first target was actually 500, 25,500, and my second target was 25,456. And my third target, I don't even need to do it because we hit both targets.
I was just trading on my phone. I was on a call, but I took the 500 bounce.
Damn.
It was kind of
at 500. Yeah.
The 850.
Yeah.
The 850 bounce. Yeah. I took that all the way to 550.
So that's scary because it's like this counter trading. So
that's where I mess up sometimes. Yeah. But it's the risk to reward. If you But my stop loss was 490, so like
makes sense. Yeah, I think Wajid tried to long it here a little bit, and then I told it just kept going down. I didn't give him an opportunity to
get in, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, you see, this is structure. I was just explaining to him how what we just traded a very simple supply and demand market structure. So now if you want to keep trading, you want to wait for this zone to get hit and get a reaction. Once you have confirmation, then you short it up to this. Simple. It's just
I see that.
That's good, man. It's you don't usually get price action that follows this every day. So I mean, when you see a setup, you gotta take it.
Yeah.
You gotta take it.
No, it was a good setup. You think we still keep coming down, right?
Yeah. So my overall target. So my overall target was this for the day was right here. This is 89. So like 90. That's my target too.
Yeah.
So you can.
You think we break 400?
Oh yeah. If this supply holds, if this guy holds, then we can definitely break it.
I see.
So you have to wait for. So you need, like, if you want to short this again, I would wait for like something like this.
The supply, right?
Yeah, where it taps into the supply and gives you a structure change, and then you can short it, something like that.
Yeah.
So I like I wouldn't be able to get in right now. So this was our entry in the morning, actually, right here. This was our entry. This was our stop loss. So this is what we got in here, and we pretty much took it up to here. This was the target.
I see.
Damn,
I see.
If you were on, you would have unlocked all these accounts. Because if you think,
bro, I'm yeah, man. I have one account already. I'm up quite a bit on that. 151 now.
Check this out. Just 5 to my target from where we got in, which like right here. Okay.
Yeah.
And to my target,
14.
just 5 contracts would have been like 1,100.
Yeah. Oh, man, that's sick. Yeah.
Just 5 micros. You open up that live, like, that's why I always recommend having a live account. No, like, you have prop firms, and then simultaneously have a live account. You don't have to trade 30 contracts on a live account. You could take, like, New York gives you enough of a move for you to take, like, even if you had like, bro, if you had like 3 micros, okay, your stop loss above this high, okay, 370 to make $622 with 3 micros. Like, you can have a live account.
Yeah, and make $600.
You just gotta know how to, like, manage risk and all that.
Yeah, no, I was looking at the short at 620 as well.
620 shorts, 620 where? Yeah, dude.
You're at 640. You're at 640ish, I think. But yeah, I was looking at 620 for shorts.
Yeah, 620 is perfect. That was the second chance to get in. So you broke structure down, price retested, supply came down again.
Yeah. That was 50%. So 620 was. I mean, I know you.
Yeah. So this could be 50%. Yeah. This is exactly 50%. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's
so when you're in a trending market, price goes to the 50%. Usually covers at least 50%.
Yeah. Comes back down.
So yeah.
Yeah.
For this one, I would wait. I mean, there's some gap here. There's like a little gap here that can, that needs to be filled. So it's just all like supply chains, bro. Like, that's all it is. So right now, supply is in control. Boom. These are all just supply chains. See, look at that. Boom. Going down to my second target. Probably gonna end the stream now. I'm pretty much done for the day. Yeah, I would wait. If I were to wait, I would go for something like this, and then wait for a structure change, and then maybe first take profit there and let the rest, run into that target. So this is just a game, and I think it's gonna happen close to 11. So right before
close to 11.
Close to 11, yeah. So unless this keeps pushing down, but like usually market slows down around this time. Where's the 9:30? You get the 9:30 candle and then you go up, and then the whole shebang.
Yeah.
But another thing to be worried about is like, okay, we have this whole gap here. It might not get filled today. It might be tomorrow.
Yeah, I
looks
think
like
the
we're
gap's
hitting our
fine.
target pretty fast, faster than I thought.
Can y'all hear when it says order filled or no?
No, it doesn't. I can't
No.
hear that.
Oh, okay. I just
You're like the world is gonna know when I'm getting in.
no, I'm just scalping. I know I'm scalping a combine right now.
People are gonna think I'm crazy because I'm long
No,
and
no.
short.
No, I'm not. Yeah, I am actually.
Yeah, so like
That's all. But that's only for combines though. I only do that for combines. Really.
yeah, I mean, you should never like unless you have like a proper. I mean, look, bro, everything works. If scalping like that works, it works. Like if you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
So it's just timing. But with scalping, your timing has to be on point. It's like if you're trying to scalp like small little things like this, it has to be on point.
Oh yeah, you can't wait for it. You can't wait. What did you lock out?
No, I'm still trading.
How much did you make? You took that trade, right? So you
No, I didn't. I mean, I started, then I was being a pussy. I took like $20-$30 like scalping, but then I stopped.
Yeah, man, it's fast market. It's not easy. I've been doing that too. That's another thing, right? Like confidence. Like I like if I'll have like a losing day or something, and it's like fast markets. Sometimes hesitate a lot.
It's like basketball, bro. Just forget the last play. Just go for the next one.
Just go for the shoot.
Just keep shooting threes. You know how it goes.
But I'm good at basketball. I'm not good at stock trading. That's not like fuck.
Oh hell, you just gotta be Shank. That's it.
Yeah. Just keep shooting threes. It doesn't matter if you're 0 for 45. The next one's gonna go in.
Watch it, bro. We played this league, and then we had this Indian guy. He's not bad. He's a good player. Bro, this guy took 50 shots a game, literally.
But he did kind of carry our team, bro.
I mean,
you put up like
when you're taking 90% of the shots, it's obviously
that was true, though. He's like an Indian Steph Curry.
Yeah, he could knock it down. Like the only reason we let him because he could knock it down.
No, why'd you see him play? Why'd you see him play in Austin with me? I think.
Who?
Does he still
Shank?
Is he still hoop or?
No, he's just fat and out of shape now.
Oh, no.
What's his name?
Shank.
I don't know who that is.
Shank. Damn, I hope it doesn't it doesn't catch too much of the audio capture. Oh.
Man, I think I'm gonna lock out of my Express account. I'm up 600 on it. I think it's done.
Yeah, be done. What the fuck?
Yeah, dude.
I was gonna trade combines. Yeah.
You're done. No more.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock out of it.
I think I might try to bring one. I have another funded account. Forgot. I'm gonna try to bring it back. It's at like -8 or not. I have like 1,100 left on the.
1,100?
Yeah, on the loss limit. I think I'm gonna try to bring it back. I have like one trading day on this. It's like -800.
Wait, was it Tradify or Top Step?
It is Top Step.
Yeah. Honestly, there's this new one called Lucid. I'm gonna try that out.
Oh, Lucid is good. Yeah.
I'll try Lucid out and then fund it.
But y'all pop from horrors. Y'all just keep popping up and pop from the pop from.
No, bro. Honestly, you get a fat payout, and go to Ninja Trader, open a live account, and just milk just daily payouts.
Yeah, that's what you need, right? It's like cash flow, bro. It's like having cash flow.
But you can use the prop firms to build that capital.
No, you could, bro. I mean, I do stupid things sometimes and lose my.
You see, there's windows. Now it's fuckery hour, right?
Yeah, it looks like it.
But the windows are here, like this expansion. like what is this? The open, and then you have the second retest of the open. Okay, and then at like 9 o'clock you can take this, and then maybe at like 9:30 you can take this. So it's just timing too. You know, you have to look at the time as well. Yeah, like I can't. I mean, what is this? Here's the thing. Now, if the price comes down here, goes like this, and then comes back up and breaks structure, I don't know if I like the shorts anymore. So, yeah.
Why do you not like the shorts you think?
Because then it just changed character, right? It just so now I have down, up, down, then I have up. So this is a breaker structure. So you starting a new now. If it comes down, and then goes up, and then it can keep going down. I mean, keep going up. Sorry, unless it breaks structure back down, I'm not shorting that.
I see.
Yeah, because now, if this low was never taken, and it kind of just shot up like this, you see how like this kind of shot up, right? And then it came down. Like, see this thing shooting up came back down without touching the supply. So like you didn't even touch supply. Like, you know, so to me, right there, see that supply has not been tapped into yet. So yeah. The only way I'm shorting this is if it comes close to VWAP right here. VWAP comes down and goes up, shorts, then we can short it.
I see. So you don't think it's a good time to even take a long?
You could take it long right now. It's a great time.
And like a 4.
Yeah. So if
400, like a 380 stop loss.
Yeah. So this is like a range deviation. Price try to come down, failed. You can take a long. It's risky. It's counter trading. You can take it up to there. Definitely counter trading, but it's worth a shot. You have a tight stop loss. Put your stop loss here. You know.
Yeah.
Put your stop loss below this low. And you can.
Because the 50% of this is a 2,515.
Or you can take it to the 50%. Just long it to the 50%. That's a higher probability.
Yeah, long it to the 50%, right?
Yeah, that's a higher probability, right?
Yeah, longing it to the 2,515. That's what I have.
But yeah.
If we break 400, I think I'm gonna get out of it. But yeah, I'm in a long right now.
I mean, we kind of did break 400 in 398.
Yeah, but we held it twice on we hold it on 2-minute candles twice. Let me see. On the 5-minute, we tried to break it. We didn't break it yet. Let's see. The 5 minutes about to close in a minute.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Probably I should have waited for the 5 minutes to close, low-key.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't take these. These are counter trading, so I wouldn't take these. I usually don't take them. I wait for price to come at least. See, like a better trade for me would be price to come here, and especially we're downtrend heavily. So
yeah, we are. It doesn't make sense to take it.
Counter trading. So why not just trade with the trend, right?
The trend. Yeah.
Second target hit. There you go, Wajid. Happy birthday.
Oh my god. I didn't listen though. I fucked up.
I'm done trading. I would have taken these trades. By the way, I would have been in these shorts, but I'm done for the day. So it's just.
Why are you done?
I made my money. Boom. Right here. Third target hit. Boom. See?
Oh, you're done? Okay. I see.
That. Third one hit too. Wajid, what did I say in the beginning of this?
I fucking hate you right now.
I told him we're coming down here. Like, I like to see price come down to 390 when we're all the way up here. We just dropped 200 points.
We did, bro. We dropped a lot.
It's still going. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's still going.
Damn. Our first entry would have been nice, huh? Just staying in that entry.
Fucking god damn it. Marcel, if you don't get on on Monday, I'm gonna slap the shit out of you. I'll fucking do the same thing.
I'm gonna get on, bro. Don't worry. I was honestly I was just setting up my streams and stuff, and I wanted to see if I wanted to kind of start it from after Monday because I'm gonna be in Dallas. I'm actually coming to Dallas. I'm gonna see you guys.
When are you coming?
I'm coming this weekend. I'm actually coming tomorrow night. I mean, actually, I'm leaving tonight. So. I'll
okay.
Let me stop streaming.
Where are you gonna stay in Dallas?
in Plano.
Oh, okay.